right, back here working on the upper control arms for John's 88 Vette. I've started by gently grinding the heads off the rivets here for the upper ball joints. See, I got one started right here. Gonna handle all those. We're gonna work on knocking those babies out. And then our new ball joints are bolt in. As you can see, the bushings are all done. Nice and pretty. Just do a little cleanup, get everything back in, and then we can reinstall everything. So after we knocked off the bottom of the rivets, I've drilled out the tops here so I can at least pop the ball joint out, and then we can work on removing our rivets. So I've already got this up a little bit. You can see. Come on, focus. There we go. So this old ball joint's about to come out. All right. Now that I got the ball joint out, I can get these all nice and flat, drill them out, and knock them out.
So you're gonna hammer a hard piece of something into a tiny hole?
Oh yeah.
Okay, well.
You like that type of thing.
Well, I'm the one normally doing the hammering, but that's not the point.
The banging? Scotty likes banging.
I do banging, and then I go boing, 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 shaboopy, shaboopy.
And then there's a mess.
Correct.
Okay.
I'll let you get back to work while I go back to work.
Yeah, get back on that Camaro.
Right?
Kyle has things that need to be done by today. Right, so everything on the left front is now out. Drilled out everything internally on the rivets. Then I went in and hit it with a 1/4-inch bit, which is the size of the bolts that come with the new ball joints, and just spun out the rivets, and we're ready to roll. So I'm gonna put in our new ball joints, these tightened up, and when Nick gets here, he can bolt these babies on. Driver's side's all done. Nick's gonna bolt that down, and we will be ready to rock and get everything all mounted up. While the left side, driver's side, is getting assembled, I'm gonna get the old passenger side upper out. All right. Got them drilled out, nice and loose. Already got the end popping up this side. Gonna get the other side popped up, and hopefully I can spin these rivets out. I just gotta spin out the rivets. All right, passenger side ball joint. Done.